Well, you know gnocchi, that small, tender dumpling. This is an all-star potato pasta, relies only on 3 ingredients. And my next guest says it's actually pretty simple to make yourself. Our friend Wendy Paul is schooling us in gnocchi making today. Hi, Wendy.
Hello.
This is so fun.
So fun.
I will tell you, I've never made gnocchi. I've never thought about making gnocchi because I love Trader Joe's gnocchi. You're telling me that I can do this.
Okay, it's good though. I mean, to buy it and have it for convenience,
listen, yes.
But let me just tell you, to make it, it's so much softer, more of a sweet little heavenly pillow.
Yeah, we're coining that term, by the way.
It is.
Heavenly pillow.
It's a new term. So it only takes a few minutes.
Okay.
And you can do sweet potato gnocchi. You could flavor it with like some pesto inside. You could actually flavor your dough. I mean, the sky's the limit. Like, let's just talk about flavors right there.
Let's do that.
But we're gonna do a plain gnocchi with 3 sauces today.
I love this. So this is so versatile. You could have this 20 times a month, like Wendy maybe has the past month.
I may be making this like twice a week lately.
Okay, listen,
3 times a week.
But because you're switching up with sauces and different things, it's fine.
Yeah, totally fine.
It's fine. Okay, tell us how.
Okay, so the dough is really super simple. So a potato, and I like to use a large potato, baking potato. I just threw it in my air fryer this morning.
Yeah.
Baked it off while I was getting ready, and a little bit of flour and 3 egg yolks.
Okay.
And then you're gonna season it with some salt. And that's it.
Just
you're
some
gonna
salt.
knead it together till it forms a really nice dough, right? Okay. And then we're just gonna start to shape it, roll it into a log.
Okay, so how thick, how long, like what are we doing?
Depends on what you want. Like, how big do you want your gnocchi? I like them a little bit smaller, so there's like lots of sauce with the gnocchi. Does that
yeah,
make
that
sense?
feels right for me too. That feels right.
About that size.
Okay, yeah, I
So
feel good about that.
maybe like 1 inch by like 5 inches. You can roll it super long too. I just like to handle the dough in smaller increments.
Okay. Is that so it stays more tender? Why?
Yeah, stays softer and tender.
Right,
If you let it, you know, if you're gonna let it sit on the counter, cover it with a damp cloth, just like any other pasta dough.
Okay.
You're gonna cut it to the size you want, all right? And then you can shape it or just leave it like this. I like to put the little fork. Look how cute, right?
That was so easy.
So easy. So really, it comes together very fast. And we've got some boiling water, and just think salty like the ocean. Okay?
Okay, salty like the ocean.
There's your little tip. Just gonna kind of roll these around in the flour, and we're gonna pop them in.
So we're salted the water. That's why it's salty like the ocean.
Salty like the ocean. Gnocchi is shaped, and we're just putting it right in. They're gonna be ready once they start to float.
Oh.
So super fast.
So that's how we know when they're done.
That's how you know they're done. So they're gonna float. So right now they're not, they're cooking, okay? Let's finish off this sauce.
Say less, let's do it.
So I've got some cream. You could do coconut cream too if you want non-dairy. I've got some garlic paste, whoops.
Come on over, garlic
paste and basil paste in the sauce. Okay.
You love this stuff.
Oh, I love it. It's so convenient, so delicious. I have it on hand in my kitchen.
I need to buy that.
Yeah, do.
Yeah, okay.
Do. Okay, we're gonna turn the heat on low. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese.
And by some, she means half a tub.
Half a tub. Or the whole tub. Okay.
Hey, we're not here to judge. We're not here to judge.
No judgment.
No.
And then some really good extra virgin truffle oil. This is Napa Valley olive oil. I love it. A little goes a long way. So maybe a teaspoon and a half into the sauce.
A little goes a long way because it's so good.
Right, and then this I found, and I love it. It's black garlic seasoning salt. It's been smoked.
Ooh, where'd you find that at?
You can find it online. So, Texas Salt Company.
Texas Salt Company, you heard it here, people.
All right, a little bit of parsley. You can do some basil. Let's see.
She brought her little basil plant.
Brought my basil plant. So
I told her I need to get a basil plant. That's just one more thing to keep alive at my house.
Just
so
one more
I don't know if I have it in me.
But I use it faster, so I don't have to keep it alive necessarily, because I'm using it, right?
But I can smell it.
You can smell it. It smells so good. So we're just gonna stir it together. And the gnocchi is almost done. That's how fast it goes. Yes.
Okay, so this really is a quick dinner. 20 times a month feels way less judgmental from me now.
Right? You're thinking, I do not spend a lot of time in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I really try to be efficient and make delicious meals, but not things that take forever. And this is something that is super fast.
Oh my gosh, and look how pretty they are.
So your gnocchi's done. You can, of course, like I didn't do, but you can cook your whole batch in there, right?
Okay, your
and
whole
then
batch.
yeah.
You spoon it right in.
Spoon it right in, top it with some bacon, and you're good to go. So that's the truffle oil
bacon.
sauce. I know.
Some bacon.
Some bacon.
Say
So
more.
the other sauces I have
Yes.
is, this is a spicy marinara. So turkey, and then I've got some basil, oregano, some more of this black garlic salt.
We love that, yeah.
You can top it with more Parmesan cheese, some fresh herbs, right? And the spice in here is some red pepper flakes and sriracha seasoning.
Ooh,
so you can make it.
My husband would love this.
Right?
He's a spicy
Is
lover.
he a spicy lover?
Yes.
Okay, so as hot as you want.
Okay.
So I just did kind of like a medium. Okay.
Yeah.
The third sauce is a Marry Me Gnocchi. I heard you say I do, right?
I do. Marry me.
Marry Me Gnocchi. So you've got the gnocchi, you've got a yummy, creamy tomato spinach sauce with lots of herbs. So you've got basil, a little bit of shallot, some garlic, and then you just simmer that down. So really, 3 easy sauces that take less than 5 minutes. Your gnocchi takes less than 5 minutes. So
This is a 10-minute dinner?
10 minutes.
Okay, well, we will give you all the recipes, Wendy will,
Right?
on our
Okay.
website. Tell us where we can connect more from you.
So follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul, and we'll put these recipes up as well as so many other delicious recipes.
So
Easy
many more.
dinners are what I'm all about.
And she's so good at it. So
Thank
good at
you.
it. Thanks so much, Wendy.
Thank you.